Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Friday, November 8th, about an hour and a half left in trading as we record this. A lot has happened since our last video, so I wanted to get our YouTube subscribers caught up with our newsletter subscribers who receive at least one report a day and sometimes more than that. Speaking of reports, I want to look at the bond report that we put out on November 4th. Okay, and here we're looking at the ABC down for wave 2 with a circle within a direct hit, within 1/100th of a point of a direct hit, if you will, and the move up. Okay, we call this move up complete at the 4.388 high, and you can see we have a downside trigger there. There was our upside trigger. Okay, so in the big picture, this one here is cycle degree from the year 2020 low. Here's the wave 2 retracement, and then 3 up starts with a 1 with a circle here, then a 2 with a circle down here at 917, and then this is the beginning of 3 that we've been talking about. It's a big move up because rates went from 3.599 to 4.388, so this wave needs to be retraced. That's 1 with the parentheses around it. Here are the 2 targets. You can see 4.068, 3.947, 3.882, and 3.755. After this 2 down, we should be in a wave 3 of 3 up. So that was significant. How do we know when? When this 4.388 is broken, that means one of 2 things. Either this retrace is complete or this wave 1 up is extending. So we always have our numbers to the, in this case, the 1,000th of a percent, or if you're looking at prices, within a penny. Okay, so that's it on that. Let me move on here. Let's look at the next day. I think we put out a report. Like I said, I want to get you guys caught up here. A lot has happened in a short time. November 5th afternoon report. Okay, you may remember this. We were looking, you can see in the black we had an ABC, 3-wave correction, 335, or we had a 1 down, a 2 up, and a 3 down, okay? And there was our downside trigger at 5724.25. That would give us a move down to this target here. That trigger didn't get triggered. That support level held. Okay, that meant this decline was complete and this move up has begun, and that's when we started charting it way back here, and it made a high of 58.11 above the previous wave 4 high, and then we have this upside trigger here. This is back before all the fireworks after the election. It was before then. Okay, so anyway, that held, and as you probably know by now, that trigger was activated. Okay, just want to get you guys caught up. But the beauty of Elliott Waves and Fibonacci, we had a number right here. We needed that support to hold for the thing to be over, and it did, and it was over. Okay, so that support held, and I want to get into so that made that an ABC. Okay, that validated the ABC count. 1, that low held, and 2, that it moved up higher and even went past these wave 2 targets, which took out this high, but we'll get into that in a second here. Okay, so let's get to 11.6. I think it's easier to show you guys this over time since I haven't done a report. And here we go, bam, the next day. Okay, there's that 57.24 that held. There's that 5900 trigger which was activated, and that meant that the move would go above this high. If I get into the verbiage, I can show you guys that, but it's all moot now. We knew it would, and it did, so that helped. So that's what was going on there. New all-time high once this low held, and this trigger meant that this high would be taken out, and it was. Okay, so let's move on to I think this one, yeah, this one I put out at 3:30 in the morning. Okay, I stayed up all night that night because I thought there might be fireworks, and there were. Okay, but that wasn't all. I think we actually put out a pre-market report. Let's see, that's the afternoon. Where are we at here? Yeah, pre-market report. I think this was around 4 in the morning. Let me see here if I can look at this here. Yeah, that was at 4:35 Eastern. Okay, and we wanted to give everybody a look at the bigger picture. Okay, this was an ABC down into the 8.5 low, which was another direct hit. Okay, and then we had a direct hit in time and price with this low, and this blue wave one right here, 53.59. We're going back. That is a key level that had to hold, and as you can see, it did. And then we started new impulse waves to the upside. We had a target of 6009.75, and there's that 57.24, which again held. Okay, so that was the pre-market. And let me get to the 11:07, which was yesterday, if I can do this correctly. There we go. I'll get into that in a minute. Okay, let's see. This was, yeah, market close, which was yesterday, Thursday. Okay, so by the way, announcement, I'll be out next week helping with family member with surgery and stuff, but should be able to get reports out. I'll see if I can get videos too, but you can see here again, that's that big picture, but we did some more extrapolation, and we have 60.18 as a target and 62.71 for the red, if you will, the 1, 2 in red, and 3, 4, and there's where 5 equals 1 with the red wave count. So I wanted to give all those more bullish targets, if you will. Speaking of triggers and targets, there's all the verbiage there. Again, long term, we're long against the 41.85 low on 1027, and that's when we started this triggers and targets. It's been over a year, and they've kept us, that and the signals or signs for a reversal in trend have kept us on the long side and the correct side of this market for over a year now. And then we're also intermediate term still long against that 8.5 low, which is here, okay, back at 5100. And then in the short term, we're still long against that 57.24 low, which was critical support, which held for the short-term targets. Okay, short-term wave count. Okay, wanted to show you guys something, but anyway, I want to show you. I'm going to dip down to this. We'll get into that. We've kept this here for over a year. Okay, steps needed to confirm a change in trend. There's 5 of them, and we've seen this go through 1, 2, and 3, and even to 4, but never to 5. Okay, so the wave 5, or the 5th step in the signal for a change in trend, has not occurred in over a year. That's what's kept us on the right and long side of this market. Okay, it does 1, 2, and 3 a lot, you know, but 4 once in a while, but 5 never, not in over a year. So that's the change in trend there. Also wanted to show you guys the there's the short, there we were, the auto trades. Doing really well with auto trades. People are liking it. They're doing good. They're making money. Here are the results that we began on 10:31, and I can show you guys the link there. But you can see we had 2 small losses there and gains. And by the way, I just closed these positions at a gain right before I went to record this. So we're doing well, and we're using the micro E-minis, and we're keeping our losses small. Okay, that's what the trading system, and especially the money management system, does. You know, we took the algorithm for the Fibonacci's and Elliott waves and put them in our triggers and targets, and really into the trading system. Auto trades. My apologies there. Okay, and what's even more important than a trading system is to have a money management system, and so you don't blow out your account. So many people stop trading because they run out of money. Okay, we keep our losses small, and you can see here, these are small losses. They're the only 2. I'm sure we'll have more, but can't be right all the time. But our gains are much more than our losses, which is the idea. Okay, and this is how it works. you open a futures trading account with a futures broker, which is Striker, and they'll auto trade my trades. Okay, I give them to them and then they trade them for you. That's how that works. And there is the information there. And I want to show you guys here. Let's see, I think that's I don't know if we updated the ones we just did today. Let me see if I have that. I haven't done today's report yet. But yeah, we made them green, and you can see, yeah, we made 3 and 7 something there. So we're like 4, 5, 7, and 2 on these trades, and we got to be trading for at least 3 months to make the list, if you will, or the honor roll. So let me show you guys that. Auto trade triggers and targets from our website here, woodsonwave.com. If you go here, it'll open up the landing page, gives you all the information on how to do that. Like I said, we're doing really well. People are happy. Okay, and then that's the same page there. And here's the system rankings. It got to be at least 3 months, so we're barely 2 or 3 weeks into this. I hope to get into the top 10, and we're in that 10 to 19,999. So I don't qualify for this yet because we haven't been trading long enough to be ranked. Okay, and then here are the daily results. Obviously today's not over, so it's through yesterday, and you can see in here, you can see, yeah, I've got it highlighted, the triggers and targets. You know, we had an entry, we're long, you can see the profits there, 521 and 3, and let's do this. There we go. Okay, 271, 345, and those were open. I just closed them, both for profit, so we're happy, and we'll be flat going into the weekend. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see if I can get some videos next week. Like I said, I'm out of town. I'll be working out of the office, let's put it that way. I think I can get some reports done for our newsletter subscribers, and if I can, I'll see if I can do a video. Okay, so that's it for this time, and until next time, take care, everyone.